Hello children, welcome to Science classes, and today we will take the chapter plants of class 5. So children, plants and human beings are the living things. So as we human beings need energy to grow or to replace the worn out body parts or to get rid of waste material and to reproduce, plants also need the energy for the same thing. So how do they get the energy? By the help of food. So you must know how do the plants prepare the food. Okay? So plants prepare the food by the help of photosynthesis, or the process is known as photosynthesis. Okay children? Now photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Okay? So by putting together some raw materials like carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants prepare their food. And what is their food? That is glucose. And which gas is liberated out? Oxygen, which is very, very essential for all the living things. Now you must know that plants get carbon dioxide from where? Where do they get from this carbon dioxide? So they get it from the environment, from the atmosphere through stomata. Now stomata are very minute pores which are present on the surface of the leaves. अब पानी कहाँ से मिलता है plants को? So water is taken by the roots, by the soil. Now sunlight is very important. So in the daytime they get the sunlight. Now children, chlorophyll. Now what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green colored pigment which is present in the green leaves of the plant. So from there they take the chlorophyll. So by putting all these things together, what are the things? That is carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, plants prepare glucose and oxygen is liberated out. लेकिन बच्चों, कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनको इस ग्लूकोज के अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नरिशमेंट भी चाहिए होता है, क्योंकि वो ऐसी मिट्टी में पाए जाते हैं जहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन की कमी होती है. सो दे नीड सम एक्स्ट्रा नरिशमेंट. सो व्हाट डू? दे ट्रैप द इंसेक्ट एंड ईट देम. So they are known as insectivorous plants. Some common example of insectivorous plants are sundew, drosera, then Venus flytrap, pitcher plants, and many others are there. So if you see the screen, children, you will see the Venus flytrap and see the leaves of the Venus flytrap. They have some special leaves, some thorny leaves. So as the insect get inside, by the pressure of the insect, the leaves are closed and the insects are trapped. अब क्या होता है? उस लीफ के अंदर कुछ जूसी मटेरियल सिक्रीट होता है और इंसेक्ट उसमें सफोकेट हो जाता है और उसका दम घुट जाता है और वो मर जाता है. And now what does the plant do? They take the nitrogen from the body of the insect and they utilize it to make protein. So इन दो तरीके से plants अपना खाना लेते हैं. एक तो photosynthesis and the second one is by the insect, and that is the insectivorous plants. Okay children? Now the second topic is reproduction in plants. Now what does reproduction means? Now all the living things, either it is plants or animals, birds, we all reproduce. Why do we reproduce? To maintain the race and the number of their own species. अपने species के number को maintain करने के लिए the living thing reproduce. And reproduction, children, is done by two methods or two ways. First is reproduction through seeds and the second one is reproduction through vegetative part. But today we will only discuss about the reproduction through seed. अब आप सीड तो देखे ही होंगे, बहुत सारे सीड्स आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द फ्रूट. ओके, एंड fruit is what? Fruit is a ripened ovary, and seeds, when mature, they can develop into a new plant. But अगर सीड को प्रॉपर कंडीशन मिलेगा तभी वो ग्रो कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज दे विल नॉट ग्रो. अब स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप सीड को, प्लांट से सीड गिरता है नीचे सॉइल में, तो एक जगह पर बहुत सारे सीड्स ग्रो करने लगेंगे, बट ऑल द सीड्स विल नॉट डेवलप इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट बिकॉज दे नीड सम प्रॉपर सॉइल, टेम्परेचर, वार्मथ. तो जिसको अच्छे से ये सारी चीज़ें मिलेंगी, ओनली दे विल ग्रो. नाउ वन मोर थिंग यू मस्ट नो, डिस्पर्सल ऑफ सीड, मतलब सीड्स का एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाकर गिरना. सो फॉर डिस्पर्सल ऑफ सीड्स many agents are there like air, water, human beings, insects. जैसे आप अभी आम का सीज़न चल रहा है, आप आम खा के उसकी गुठली कहीं दूर फेंक देंगे, एंड इफ़ दैट सीड गेट्स द प्रॉपर कंडीशन, it will grow into a new plant. Okay children, so air, water, soil and proper temperature, these are the conditions required for the seed to grow. Now we will talk about the seed, the external and internal part of the seed. अगर आप बाहर से सीड को देखेंगे तो एक बहुत छोटा ब्लैक कलर का टाइनी पोर आपको दिखाई देगा, दैट इज द माइक्रोपाइल, एंड थ्रू द माइक्रोपाइल वाटर enters into the seed. Okay children, now if you see the seed outermost part, it is covered by a brown colored layer which is known as the seed coat. Coat means what? It is protecting the seed in any sort of situation. किसी भी condition में seed को seed coat protect करता है. Now inside the seed coat there is seed leaves. What are seed leaves? They are also known as cotyledons, which store the food for the baby plant. If you see the pea seed, अगर आप मटर के दाने को देखेंगे और उसको खोलेंगे, तोड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, it will divide into two equal parts because pea has two cotyledons. It is dicot. But if you take a maize or a corn seed and if you try to break it into two equal halves, it will not break because they have only one cotyledon. It is monocot. Okay children? So inside the cotyledon, baby plant is there which take the food which is stored inside the cotyledons. So now the seed will grow. How the seed grows, which we will discuss now. Now the seed, if you sow the seed into the soil, it will, and if proper condition are the seed is getting the proper condition, that is air, water and temperature, the seed will start to grow. And if you see the screen, you will see the different stages of the germination of bean seed. So the seed when starts to grow, it is known as seedling. The young plant is known as seedling, and gradually the seeds comes out from the soil. The roots start to get inside the soil and the shoot, that is the stem part, is emerged outside the soil. So children, in this manner the seed grow properly. But you must know that the proper condition is seed. Okay children? So thank you for listening. Have a nice day.